What's up, guys? It's Anthony with Davin Avenue, and I heard you was trying to make a quick mock-up for your t-shirt business. Well, let's get into it. Now, you can use any photo editing software you like. Today, I'll be using Photoshop. Let's open up Photoshop here. You know, like I said, quick and easy is the best route in a lot of cases, especially if you're trying to get your product out there as quickly as possible without all the difficulties and all the other stuff. Now, of course, the more complicated stuff has its place, but right now we're going to do something real quick and easy. So we'll go to File. Let's just open up a file here. Okay, we open up a t-shirt. Now this t-shirt's already cut out. It's a PNG file, meaning it has no background here. The only thing we have to do to test that, create another layer here. Let's just add red because red's already selected. Go up here to our paint bucket, drop it right there. So you can see that's a transparent background. You could change this to anything you like. Let me see, color overlay, purple. We can change it to, you know, let me see, whatever color you like. Okay, so, but we don't need that. Now, the first thing I do is I go up here, select the layer, and just copy this. And then I'll kind of mute it, or I guess a better term would, I'd hide it for now. But then, of course, I'd save it. And that's a backup in case we do anything we don't necessarily agree with. So, only thing you really have to do from this point on is just open up another file here. Okay, we got to find some files. Let's go down here. Let me try this one here. All right, so we open up this famous pop art. This famous pop art design here. Let's just drag it over, and it's really just this simple, guys. All right. This is probably where it'd be at on the t-shirt. It's that quick. It's literally that quick. Only thing you have to do now is go up here to File, push Save As, whatever you want to save it as, upload it, and you're there. Now, of course, if you wanted to change the color of the t-shirt, it's just a matter of this. Let's go over here to our layer, select our layer here, go down here to this little adjustment layer tool. We'll click on that. Let's head up here to levels, go to levels here. Okay. Now we're going to change the color of the shirt. So head on over all the way to the right and pull this over a little bit. Now we're actually changing the color. Okay, so now we have a middle kind of arrow looking thing. And let me see. Let's pull this over to the left a little bit more. And there we have it. Just that quick. We have a white shirt. And of course, it's non-destructible. So the only thing we have to do, if we want it back gray or the original color of the shirt, we can just go up here and hide this right here. Bam. So now we have two mock-ups of the same shirt. And it's really just that simple, guys. So of course, if you have any comments or questions, that information is always down in the description. And also be on the lookout for the next video, because that is coming soon. I want to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.